BPSC Mains Exam Admit Card released. Bumper vacancies in Indian Navy. NTA releases NEET UG City Slip. Welcome to Vidya Live News Bulletin. I'm Kumar Vijendra and now news in detail. BPSC Mains Exam Admit Card released. The Bihar Public Service Commission or BPSC has issued admit cards for the 68th Mains Exam 2023. Candidates can download their admit cards from bpsc.bih.nic.in and online bpsc.bihar.gov.in. The exam is scheduled for May 12, 17 and 18, 2023. The registration process concluded on April 20, 2023. A total of 3,590 candidates passed the preliminary test. The recruitment drive aims to fill 324 positions. Bumper vacancies in Indian Navy. The Indian Navy has started the recruitment drive to fill up 242 short service commission officer posts. Out of the total vacancies, 150 vacancies are for the executive branch, 12 for the education branch and 80 for the technical branch. The application process started on April 29, 2023 and the deadline for the submission of the application form is May 14, 2023. Eligible candidates can apply online for the Short Service Commission, that is SSC Executive Branch, Education Branch and Technical Branch of the Indian Navy at joinindiannavy.gov.in. NTA releases NEET UG City Slip. The National Testing Agency or NTA released the exam city information slip for the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test for Undergraduate or NEET UG 2023 on April 30. Candidates can download the NEET UG 2023 City Information Slip from the official website at neet.nta.nic.in. The National Testing Agency is going to conduct the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test UG 2023 on May 7, 2023 from 2 p.m. to 5:20 p.m. The entrance test will be held throughout India as well as cities outside India in about 499 cities in pen and paper mode. So friends, this was news in detail of this bulletin. Stay updated with Vidya Live's latest educational insights and career guidance by subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us on social media. For any questions or suggestions, drop a comment or email us at info@vidyalive.com. Thanks for watching.